Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Gather tools and confirm the bulb type before you start. You will need a 10 mm socket, a flat screwdriver, nitrile gloves, a clean rag, and the replacement bulb labeled for your model, for example H11 low beam or 9005 high beam. Park the vehicle on level ground, engage the parking brake, and switch off power. Set aside about 15 minutes per side. Keep a small tray to hold 10 mm bolts and clips. Never touch the glass of the replacement bulb with bare hands. Open the hood and find the headlight access cover behind the assembly. Use the flat screwdriver to pry off plastic clips or remove small screws. If needed, remove a 10 mm mounting bolt that secures the headlight or support bracket. Set the bolt in your tray. Reach behind the housing, squeeze the bulb socket release tab, and rotate the socket counterclockwise to free it. Pull the old bulb straight out, inspect the socket for corrosion or broken tabs, and wipe the area clean with the rag. Install the new bulb by handling only the base or using the gloves. Align the bulb tabs with the socket, push it straight in, and rotate the socket clockwise until it locks. Reinstall the 10 mm mounting bolt hand tight, snap the access cover back into place, and reinstall any clips. Turn the ignition to accessory and test the headlights. Check low beam, high beam, and turn signals for at least 2 minutes to confirm correct aim and operation. Dispose of the old bulb safely, and reset adaptive settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.